Hey guys, welcome to HPI Auto. This is Evan. What I want to go over today is a common issue on the Lamborghini Urus, similar to the Porsche Cayenne, is the lithium battery issues. And what happens is that lithium battery will die, car will not start, and even if you do get started with a jump start, you're going to have all these electrical air lights in the car, and it puts the car into a weird limp mode, and you're kind of stranded. So I kind of had this issue with the Cayennes predominantly, but then I realized that, hey, we're having these same issues on the Uruses. So what's the solution for that? Well, surprisingly, it's kind of the same thing as the Cayennes. So you can get this kit right here that we made for the Cayennes, and it's the same battery cable, the same wiring harness. The only difference is going to be this dongle. So this dongle is for actually the Urus. So you plug it in and it'll reprogram the Urus to accept the AGM battery. So as you know, with these lithium batteries, they have a lot of failures. It's the same battery across the platforms. It's a Volkswagen Audi product. And so when that battery dies and gets below 4 volts, it pretty much smokes the battery and there's no bringing it back to life. Some people try, I've tried, I've never had good luck with it. So what we do is we replace that lithium battery with an AGM battery. So now moving forward, the battery is serviceable. And also you can get the car back on the road quickly because there's no back order waiting on parts from Lamborghini, Volkswagen, whatever you may have you. So we do a lot of these on the Cayennes, and now with the programming we have out now for the Urus, we're starting to do a lot of Uruses as well. And I don't think there's many people out there that are showing that, hey, this is an option to get the car back on the road and to make the battery serviceable for the future to where it's not going to be stranded anymore. As far as the install goes, you can look at my video I did on the Cayenne. It's the same install procedure for the Urus. The only difference between the Cayenne and the Urus is going to be just this dongle right here, which is going to be your programming. And if you have any issues with that programming, please reach out. I can help with that as well. But I do have these in stock at all times. I'm able to get them shipped out next day and get the car back on the road. I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you have a good rest of the day.